Welcome to Lesson 4 about important A2 level vocabulary. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to see some YouTube shorts to learn this vocabulary more quickly. And remember, take notes while watching this video. Our first A2 level word is appointment. Pronunciation. Appointment. Appointment is a noun. And an appointment is a time to meet someone like a doctor or a teacher. For example, do you want to get a coffee after work? Oh, I can't. I have an appointment at the doctor's. Hey, you coming to play football after school? I can't. I need to see the dentist. The boy cannot play football because he has an appointment at the dentist. Remember, an appointment is a time to meet someone. Our next A2 level word is on my way. On my way means going to a place now. Let's look at an example. The man is going to the supermarket. In other words, the man is on his way to the supermarket. We can use different pronouns with the phrase on my way. For example, for a man, we can say on his way. For I, we can say on my way. And for a girl or a woman, we can say the woman is on her way. Remember, the phrase on my way means going to a place now. Our next A2 level word is meal. Pronunciation. Meal. Meal is a noun. A meal is the food you eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Let's take a look at an example. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are examples of meals. Cereal is a meal that you can have for breakfast. Spaghetti is a meal that you can have for lunch. And a hamburger and chips is a meal that you can have for dinner. A happy meal. McDonald's call this a happy meal because you can have it for lunch or dinner. Remember, meal can mean the food you eat for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Snack. Pronunciation. Snack. Snack is a noun. And a snack is a small amount of food you can eat between meals. An apple, bananas, and crisps. The small things we eat between meals are called snacks. Apples and bananas are healthy snacks. Remember, snack means a small amount of food you can eat. Our last A2 level word is advice. Pronunciation. Advice. Advice is a noun. The verb form of advice is advise with an S. Advice is information you tell someone to help them. For example, I need to give a presentation to my class, but I'm not sure what to talk about. Maybe you could talk about learning new vocabulary. You know a lot about that. The woman is giving her friend advice because she wants to help her think of an idea for her presentation. Let's look at another example. What can I do to have healthy teeth? You should brush your teeth every day. The dentist is giving the boy advice because he is giving him information that can help him have healthy teeth. Grammar tip. We can use the modal verb should to give advice. You should try to eat healthy food. You shouldn't eat too much chocolate. And you should watch my videos and learn more vocabulary. Notice how all of these examples have should. Remember, advice is information you tell someone to help them. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and see you next time.